Welcome. In front of me is ACER TravelMate P2, and in this video I will show you how to copy and paste on this laptop. So first, let me open this and empty text document. Then let's enter some sample text in it. And now, if you want to copy a part of the text or the entire text, you have to select it. Then right click on it, select copy, or use Ctrl C combination of keys. Alternatively, you can right click and cut this text out, or use Ctrl X combination of keys instead. And in order to paste, use Ctrl V. Now, the only feature remaining is clipboard, and to activate clipboard you have to press Windows and V buttons simultaneously, then select turn on, and this way you will activate clipboard. Now you can make different selections using Ctrl C or Ctrl X, and then using Windows V you can paste any of the selections that you made recently. Okay, and that's how copying and pasting works with text. Now let's go to Files. Open File Explorer, and let's go to Videos. And here you have one file. In order to copy it, you have to select it, then click Copy. Otherwise, you can cut it out. And to paste it, you can either use this icon right here, or right click and select right click the empty space on your in your folder and select paste. You can also copy this file using right click and cut or copy, or you can use Ctrl C or Ctrl X combination of keys instead. So let's paste this file into this folder. Since it was copied and not cut, we have this file both in the screen recordings folder and in the previous videos folder. Now if you want to cut it out, for example, let's cut it and transfer it to captures. Now if we return back to videos, this file will no longer be here. And that's how you copy and paste files on your laptop. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.